Hey, what's up everybody? Welcome to the channel. Now, I know a lot of you are trying to stay fit, stay healthy, and maybe even shed a few pounds. It's a journey, right? And like any good journey, it's not always easy. There are going to be challenges along the way, especially when it comes to food, and trust me, I get it. It's tough to resist those cravings sometimes. But here's the thing, guys, knowledge is power. That's why in this video, we're going to break down some of the biggest food culprits that could be sabotaging your weight loss goals. And we're not just talking about your typical junk food here, we're going in depth, looking at the science behind why these foods can be so detrimental to your health journey. Remember, this isn't about deprivation, it's about making informed choices that empower you to live your healthiest, happiest life. So, let's dive in. Alright, let's kick things off with a big one, sugary drinks. We're talking soda, fruit juices, energy drinks, you name it. These things are basically liquid sugar bombs, and they can wreak havoc on your body. First off, they're loaded with empty calories. That means they provide very little nutritional value, no vitamins, no minerals, nothing your body actually needs. And when you consume more calories than your body burns, guess what happens? You guessed it, weight gain. But it gets worse. These sugary drinks can also mess with your blood sugar levels, causing those dreaded sugar spikes and crashes. Not only can this lead to increased fat storage, but it can also leave you feeling tired, sluggish, and craving even more sugar. And let's not forget about the long-term health consequences. Studies have linked excessive sugar intake to a whole host of health problems, including type 2 diabetes, heart disease, and even certain types of cancer. So, do yourself a favor and ditch the sugary drinks. Opt for water, unsweetened tea, or sparkling water with a splash of lemon or lime for flavor. Your body will thank you. Next up, we're tackling a food that often hides in plain sight, white bread. Now I know what you're thinking, bread? Really? But hear me out. White bread is made from refined grains, which means it's been stripped of its fiber and nutrients during processing. And without that fiber to slow down digestion, white bread can cause rapid spikes in blood sugar and insulin levels. Just like those sugary drinks we talked about. These blood sugar roller coasters can lead to increased hunger, cravings, and ultimately weight gain. Plus, they can contribute to insulin resistance over time, which is a major risk factor for type 2 diabetes. Now, I'm not saying you have to give up bread entirely, just be smart about your choices. Look for whole grain bread that's packed with fiber and nutrients, and remember, moderation is key. Let's be real, who doesn't love a good candy bar every now and then? But when it comes to weight loss, these sugary treats are a major no-go. Candy bars are essentially a triple threat. They're loaded with sugar, unhealthy fats, and empty calories. This combination is a recipe for disaster for anyone trying to shed pounds. The sugar will spike your blood sugar levels, leading to those familiar cravings and energy crashes. The unhealthy fats can contribute to weight gain and increase your risk of heart disease. And the empty calories? Well, they provide zero nutritional value, leaving you feeling unsatisfied and more likely to overeat later on. So next time you're reaching for a candy bar, think about the long-term impact it could have on your health and weight loss goals. Okay, let's talk about potato chips. They're crunchy, they're salty, and they're incredibly addictive. But they're also a major culprit when it comes to weight gain. Potato chips are high in calories, unhealthy fats, and sodium. And let's be honest, who can eat just one? Before you know it, you've polished off an entire bag and consumed a day's worth of calories in one sitting. The high fat content in potato chips can contribute to weight gain and increase your risk of heart disease. The excess sodium can lead to water retention and bloating, making you feel even more uncomfortable. And let's not forget about the addictive nature of these salty snacks. They're designed to keep you coming back for more, making it even harder to control your portions. Last but not least, let's address the elephant in the room, ice cream. This cold, creamy treat is a fan favorite, but it's also a major saboteur when it comes to weight loss. Ice cream is loaded with sugar, unhealthy fats, and empty calories. And just like those other sugary treats we discussed, it can spike your blood sugar levels, leading to cravings, energy crashes, and weight gain. The high fat content in ice cream can also contribute to weight gain and increase your risk of heart disease. And let's not forget about the brain freeze potential. So next time you're craving something sweet and satisfying, try opting for a healthier alternative, like frozen yogurt with fresh fruit or a small piece of dark chocolate. Your body will thank you. So there you have it, guys. 5 common foods that could be hindering your weight loss journey. Remember, knowledge is power, and by understanding how these foods affect your body, you can make more informed choices that support your health goals. It's not about deprivation, it's about making sustainable changes that you can stick with for the long haul. So focus on nourishing your body with whole, unprocessed foods, and remember that moderation is key. Thanks for watching. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit the bell icon for more science-backed health tips. See you next time.